that is why tó bá léèyàn tí ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ dùn kó tó dáfadá wọn lè ordain àbí tá a pa ń dùn àbí tójú ẹ̀ ti fọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó máa ordain ẹ̀ as priest kì í ṣe pé all the urges in you have been taken away no. In fact, that is what you are offering to God. Ó dàbí ìgbà tán ní kéèyàn ó gbàwẹ̀. When you are fasting, doesn't mean you don't have food. You have food. Ó yẹ kó feel pé ebi ń pa ẹ́ nígbà tó ń gbàwẹ̀ yẹn ṣùgbọ́n for the sake of this fasting, I'm offering it to God. If I were Buhari, I will make sure in every parastatal of the government there is a counseling unit there.
For politicians?
Yes, every politician should go there for tests. Serious one.
Even brokers too.
Even Buhari himself should go for a test. I recommend that for him.
It is alleged that they are allowing some fathers to marry because of the decadence, sexual harassment, especially all sort of the dirty thing that is going on, sleeping with men. Some are just really two nuns were said to come to Africa and they went back with pregnancy. So why is it like that and it's not like that in Nigeria? Is it that there is a treatment for Paul and a different treatment for Peter?
No. You know, I studied in America. I spent 6 years in America. My first time when I got to America, the priest I was staying with, Father Tom, introduced somebody to me and said, this is Reverend Father so, and this is his wife, and these are his children. I was shocked. I nearly fainted. And I asked him, how come?
We are in another world, sir.
What is the problem? And my friend just laughed. He said, you know, and there's a short of priests in America. There's so many parishes now, maybe 1 or 2 priests will be taking care of it. So the Pope now saw the need that those that of good character, those that have behaved well, and the Anglican Church in particular, that they can still ordain them to be Catholic priests. You know, in Nigeria, we are still having vocation boom. We don't have scarcity of priests yet. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then I want people to know that celibacy is not a punishment.
A lot of people feel it's a punishment that because in the days of the historian times, in the day I studied history and I see that those in the Arab world, the blacks that were bought as slaves were castrated because of the issue of erection. Yeah. But it is in the European side that they were left and what we call the eunuchs and all that. But if you still have the gene in you, you are not, it's not extracted, you have your scrotum, it is natural that there's erection. So how do we?
If you don't have it, you cannot be ordained a priest. If you can't make erection, you cannot be ordained. Because you have to give total offering to God. The priest is like an offering being offered to God. So it must not be, the priest must not be blemished. That is why to wá léèyàn tí ẹsẹ̀ ẹ̀ dùn kó tó dáfadá wọn lè ordain àbí tá a pa ń dùn àbí tójú ẹ̀ ti fọ́ kò sẹ́ni tó máa ordain ẹ̀. Ó wá ilẹ̀ ní accident after ìgbà tó ti dáfadá o, but before the ordination you must be whole. Torí ohun tó bá dára náà fún Ọlọ́run. Then it is true. Tó máa ordain èèyàn as priest, kì í ṣe pé all the urges in you have been taken away. No. In fact, that is what you are offering to God. Ó dàbí ìgbà tán ní kéèyàn ó gbàwẹ̀. When you are fasting, doesn't mean you don't have food. You have food. Ó yẹ kó feel pé ebi ń pa ẹ́ nígbà tó ń gbàwẹ̀ yẹn, ṣùgbọ́n for the sake of this fasting, I'm offering it to God.
Offering the appetite to God.
Yes. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn, kì í ṣe pé bóyá o ò lè jẹun àbí o ò lóúnjẹ. Ẹni tí ò bá lóúnjẹ kò yẹ kó gbàwẹ̀. Ẹni tí ò lè jẹun kò yẹ kó gbàwẹ̀. It is because those urges that stay in you, that is why you can be offered to God. Then kò sí ṣe tí Father Teje mo máa sọ fáwọn èèyàn, ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó wà lára mi, tó wà lára yín ló ti wà lára mi, omi tó wà lára yín ló ti wà lára mi. If I'm feeling the urge, I offer it to God. In fact, that is the best sacrifice.
But how do those who cannot handle it? Because now we now have those who are strictly having children, and after 10, 20 years, you hear about it that he's a father in Owerri, but his children are in Olu, or his father in Lagos, his children are in somewhere in Sabongeri or Karkasara in Kano, somewhere. How do we handle those kind of issues? Because we're talking about human beings, we're talking about science, we're talking about urge, and we're talking about principles.
It is still failure.
Failure, sir.
It is because we are still cutting corners. Ẹni tó ṣe fada ní sọ pé nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ ṣe ni lẹ́yìn tó lọ bímọ ní kọ̀rọ̀. The other side of time ṣe tó lọ bímọ ní kọ̀rọ̀. It's a failure. Again, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní society wa náà ló ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀. The devil is using all sorts of means,
Strategies.
all sorts of strategies to ravage us, to deal with us. So that's the problem.
How do we get out of that?
Again, talking to our consciences, the priests. That's why we go for retreats, we go for seminars. It's not something that you will say, okay, Muti Ashifi Eleni. No, it's everyday struggle. Even those that are married, it's everyday struggle. Pé ìwà tìyàwó ẹ wà together lálàáfíà lẹ́ni, ìyẹn mi pé ẹ máa wà together lálàáfíà lọ́la. Tójú ẹni bá ti ti mọ́, it's another timetable that you will go through. The same thing tomorrow. Wọ́n á rọ́jọ́ tẹ̀ ẹ́ fọ́, wọ́n á rọ́jọ́ tẹ̀ ẹ́ dìde. Wọ́n lọ jẹ́ kí Paul mọ́ sọ pé what a wretched man I am. Ohun tí mo fẹ́ ṣe kì í ṣe òun ni mò ń ṣe, eléyìí tí mi ò fẹ́ ṣe òun ni mò ń ṣe. That is human beings for you. And that is why I said a moment ago, the mercy of God, the grace of God. Gbogbo situation wọ̀nyí Ọlọ́run understand it. That we are human beings. But God wants us to make total surrender. He wants us to know that He is the way, the truth, and the life. Pé tábà tẹ̀ ẹ́ àṣìfẹ́ kì í ṣe agbára wa la fi ṣe. Ṣé agbára Ọlọ́run ni? And because of all these shortcomings, that is why we should depend on God the more. Father Olebura Ishe, because being a celibate is like a fish running against the current of the ocean, which should be very, very difficult. Kíkà ṣe irú polluted society táwa, tí gbogbo nǹkan tó dára láyé tó bùjúmọ́ èèyàn. If you are not of God, you will misbehave.
You will dive into the water.
Yes. This is the thing. It is the grace of God.
But have you been tempted before, sir? Yes, and how did you handle the temptation?
Several times. Whenever.
How did you handle this?
Like before you even came here, I've been in the church for 1 hour. The energy you are supposed to use for whatever urge, use it to do something for God. Labor, music. I'm a singer. I'm a musician. In fact, my next album is coming out next year by the grace of God.
Next album, sir.
Yes.
We're ready to syndicate it.
My 60th birthday.
We're ready to have it.
Whatever energy that is tempting you to sin against God, you can use that energy to do something good for God.
Redirect it.
Yes, for humanity. Use it for God and for humanity.
I want to ask you a very funny question. You see a very beautiful, curvy lady now, naked in front of you now. Naked, beautiful, curvy.
Yes.
How are you going to handle it?
I've been adding that several times. Archbishop Ganaka is late now. He was one of my formators in the seminary. He said this, and I quote him. Only tó ń bá ní seminarian méjì tó ń fẹ́ dáfadá tó fẹ́ ordain wọn pé wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹni àkọ́kọ́ ṣé ó ní girlfriend tó bá sọ pé no kó wọ́n béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹni kejì ṣé ó ní girlfriend tó bá sọ pé yes pé ẹni tó sọ pé no pé òun ò ní ordain as a priest pé ẹni tó sọ pé no ìṣẹ́dá kó true àbí kó máa parọ́ it's not qualified pé ẹni tó sọ pé yes pé a ti rí nakedness obìnrin rí pé how about a young priest ó wà ní parish obìnrin kankan wá ó gbé ọmú síta tó ní cancer lọ́mú how do you handle that ẹni tí ò rí ọmú obìnrin rí tó ṣe ọmú ìyá ẹnìkan ló rí ó possible comment so this is the way to handle it.
That's a very powerful one. A psychological screening.
To handle it. Tó bá ṣe ẹni tó ti rí ọmú rí tẹnìkan bá ṣe wá gbọ́ ọmú síta kò lè jọ́ lójú. Bẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹni tí ò tí ì rí ọmú rí tó ṣe ọmú ìyá ẹnìkan lórí tó bá rí ọmú beautiful lady ó possible comment.
A lot of saints are failed by this.
Yes. So many of us again we are not exposed to life. Ẹ̀rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ṣe bí eléyìí tán tẹ̀ tí ń rí lójúkojú so many people now go on the internet to do so many ugly things and horrible things. In fact, that was why I went to study counseling psychology.
Counseling psychology. I'm hearing for the first time.
For my doctorate degree. I want to know about man and God and how to counsel people. You see a lot of men of God today, they are sick. They go to the hospital, they don't know the cause of their sickness. Some are sick psychologically, some mentally.
Some that.
And I read mental health too. I have a certificate on mental health.
Mental health. Sir.
Yes. If you see a lot of people today, that is why you have all these confusions.
Pastors jumping on stage, calling themselves lions.
Some of these pastors that are supposed to go for mental health test, psychological tests. Very, very important. Mo lọ pẹ̀lú niece mi when I was 40. My niece was very beautiful, fair in complexion. Ní gbòòrò Àdó. Lọkùnrin kan káwọ́ mọ́rí pé obìnrin ló fáyìn tẹ́lẹ̀ yìí. That's madness. That's sickness. And I must tell you today, in our country, Nigeria, a lot of us we are sick. A lot of our leaders that we are sick at all levels.
It appears to be so, sir.
We need to do mental health test, psychological test. If I were Buhari, I will make sure in every parastatal of the government there is a counseling unit there.
For politicians.
Yes, every politician should go there for tests. Serious one.
Even brokers.
Even Buhari himself should go for a test. I recommend that for him. A lot of our men of God, they should go for tests. So, I
think this is.
Many of us are sick, and we don't know. Problem ma pọ̀jù kéèyàn sick kó má mọ̀ pé òun sick. If you know that you are sick, your problem is absorbed. Ẹ̀wẹ̀ kó náà ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó wà lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ lórí wọn pé.
We wanted to run mad today. Even we nearly ran mad because of the traffic that was humongous. We kept you waiting for 2 hours at the gates when your aide said we were coming. And even I don't know what to say. You see the roads, the state of the road is. It appears for 6 months now, going to a year. A particular, if you go to Lagos Ibadan, Lagos Abeokuta, the roads are now become junction. You have to stop the car and be jumping from one gutter to another gutter, from one well. In fact,
it happened to us yesterday.
Serious.
Between Aero and here, especially.
Yeah, you ask yourself that: do we have politicians? Do we have administrators? Do we have consensus?
At a point, we have to come down from we have to alight from the lorry. At a point, they're not okay. They're sick.
Mentally sick.
Mentally sick and psychologically sick.
Even spiritually sick.
Because
some of them go to T junctions in the night to bath with all sorts of things.
Yes.
And there are some are caught and put.
Yes.